What are you eating?
Cheerio.
Do you love Cheerios?
No.
No? But why does your shirt say you love Cheerios then? Let me see. Sit up so I can see your shirt. Whatever you do, don't show me your shirt. Don't show me your shirt. Don't. Don't. What does it say?
I don't know.
I love what?
I don't know.
Well, do you love your shirt? So if you love your shirt, then you must love Cheerios because it says you love Cheerios. Do you like Cheerios? No?
There's no Cheerios on here.
It just says Cheerios. You don't like Cheerios? No? What do they taste like? Have you ever had Cheerios? No? What do they taste like?
Poop.
What are you eating?
Cereal.
What kind of cereal?
Balloons.
Balloons? Looks like Cheerios.
Balloons.
Is that good cereal? No? Then why are you eating it? Why are you eating it? Interesting.